Super quick video. I just changed out the levers for the controls. I didn't want to go full shorty, but I just went to something that's a little bit nicer looking with easier to access adjusters than the OEM, which has kind of a turny ball thing. Very easy on the clutch side, harder on the brake side. So you're going to always take this bolt out from that was left over from your handguard kit. You're going to go to the bottom, and it's a size 20 socket, and you're going to unscrew that. And then once that comes out, it'll drop down the guard that's holding on this little sensor. And then finally, see this indentation right there? This pops up, and then you can just yank it right off and replace it. On the clutch side, this is a short video. Most people know how to do this. Pop this out, and once this is out, you just give it a slight tug, and it'll come out from there. You always want to make sure that this this seals back up around the full clutch lever when you're done. And then for these, you just push them out a little bit, turn this, and nice little adjuster. Easy peasy. These were actually, I was gonna buy very expensive ones, like ones that were like $100 a piece from Rottweiler Performance. And it's something that I'll do in the future. I wanted to change the levers from the OEM, but I didn't want to spend a ton of money. So these are on Amazon. I'll link to them below. They ship from China. Probably the cheapest thing I've done to this bike so far, and it's something that I touch all the time. So, you know, don't be like me, don't cheap out on controls, but I did for this build. Yeah, it's $27 for the two of them versus like $189 for two of them from Rottweiler. Yeah, but it looks good though. Obviously you won't see them behind the new handguards, but they do feel good. They feel much nicer. They have a little bit more a nice angle here where the index finger goes, which I like. It's pretty much where I do most of my pressure anyway. And for me, I have big hands, so it'll be kind of a, you know, 3 finger at most, but likely just the 2 fingers on these. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.